question from the other Harmy. Yes,
the question, not confusing.
Even translation a bit difficult as well. He would like to know how can we differentiate between the saying of Hadith Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which carry law, Islamic law in it, and his saying which does not carry.
The sayings of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which are according to the Quran, do this and do not that. They are 100% Islamic law. All the sayings over and above that are under Amr bil Maruf. They don't become a law, but believers have taken their bath of allegiance that will also follow you in Amr bil Maruf. So anything good he tells us, we must follow it as best as we can. But who does not, perhaps he may not have committed a sin, but he will suffer from that. The advice of Rasulullah cannot be ignored without consequences. Right?